ladies and gentlemen, Happy New Year and welcome to the first Paul's Train Vlogs episode for 2017. I'm Paul White. I'm here at Toongabbie for the Toongabbie New Year's Eve peak. It's just after 1 o'clock on a Sunday morning, the first day of 2017 here in Sydney, Australia. It's just ticked over to midnight in Brisbane. That means Australia's east coast is now in 2017, along with Adelaide. And Darwin should be moving on to 2017 in about half an hour. And we have a train coming. We have a Blacktown service arriving on platform number 3, stopping at Seven Hills and Blacktown only. Waratah set is A62. Sydney trains and locations favourite set at 1 o'clock in the morning. Stopping at Seven Hills and Blacktown. Waratah A73 now departing platform number 4 in new plane service. Stopping at Seven Hills, then followed by Blacktown, Doonside, Rooty Hill, Mount Druitt, St Mary's, Warrington, Kingswood, Penrith and in new planes. Whilst we have Waratah A62 now departing on platform number 3 for Blacktown service, stopping at Seven Hills and Blacktown only. We have a Toongabbie approaching on platform number 4, heading for Blacktown. Good to see a bit of variety despite starting off with 2 Waratahs. Toongabbie passing. Doesn't stop. Gonna go accept. Okay. D6191 is the leading power car. Should be stopping at Seven Hills, followed by Blacktown, then on to either Penrith or Schofields. Unidentified Toongabbie set and friend now departing platform number 4, Blacktown service. Happy New Year to the driver. Should be stopping at Seven Hills, then on to Blacktown. T7 is the front half. And an Oscar arriving. H number 2 is the front 4 cars. So there's Oscar. T90 the rear 4 cars. Not sure where it's going. H2 and friend. Should be departing very shortly. H2 and friend now departing platform number 1, possibly heading towards Blacktown. Next stop being Seven Hills. H2 front half, Happy New Year. And the rear half is H14. We have a Waratah arriving on platform number 2 for a North Sydney service. Waratah set A70, the next stop being Pendle Hill. A70 will be stopping at Pendle Hill, then followed by Wentworthville, Westmead, Parramatta. Then on to Granville, then it will continue on to Lidcombe, then Strathfield, Redfern Central, then on to the North Shore. A70 now departing platform number 2, Central Service. We're excited indeed. We have a Millennium Train arriving on platform number 3 for a St Mary's service. M31 is the front 4 cars. It will stop at Seven Hills, then followed by Blacktown, Doonside, Rooty Hill, Mount Druitt and St Mary's. I was surprised seeing an M set at Toongabbie. Extreme rare sight. M31 and Friend is now departing platform number 3, St Mary's service. Whilst we have Waratah A19 just arrived on platform number 1, I'll get to that in a moment. M31 and Friend will be stopping. Oh, looks like M front door is faulty. M31 and Friend is now departing platform number 3, St Mary's service. M31 and Friend will be stopping at Seven Hills, then following by Blacktown, Doonside, Rooty Hill, Mount Druitt and St Mary's. Happy New Year. And the rear 4 cars is M8. And A19 now departing platform number 4, Blacktown service. It'll stop at Seven Hills, then followed by Blacktown. That was a rare sight, seeing an 8-car Millennium Train arrived at Toongabbie. Yep, I was right. A19 heading off to Blacktown, while our Millennium Train off to St Mary's. We have a Waratah arriving on platform number 4 for a Richmond service. This Waratah came from Hornsby. It'll be stopping at Seven Hills, to followed by Blacktown, then all stations to Richmond. A32 is the set. We have a train about to pass platform number 2. Whilst A32 is off to Richmond. A Toongabbie. Apparently it's stopping. The front 4 cars is T90 and the rear 4 cars is T7. We are returning for a North Sydney service. T90 and T7 now departing platform number 2, Central service. Next stop being Pendle Hill. We have another Blacktown service arriving on platform number 4. It's another Toongabbie. I should be able to tell you the set numbers as soon as this train departs. It'll be stopping at Seven Hills, to followed by Blacktown. Another Toongabbie now departing platform number 4, heading towards Blacktown. Should be stopping at next stop Seven Hills, to followed by Blacktown. T93 is the front 4 cars. The rear 4 cars should be T62. We should have a fee set passing. V15, front 4 cars. V45, the rear 4 cars. We have a Schofield service arriving on platform number 4 at Toongabbie. Waratah set should be A11. This Waratah will be stopping at Seven Hills, then followed by Blacktown, Marion, Quakers Hill and Schofields. Waratah A11 now departing platform number 4, Schofield service. It'll be stopping at Seven Hills, followed by Blacktown, Marion, Quakers Hill and Schofields. Toongabbie passing. Not sure what the front four cars are, but the rear four cars is T42. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, time now to wrap up the first Paul's Train Vlogs episode of 2017 up. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I'll see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.